So tired, huh? You want to pant? She's tired now, huh? You're tired now? This one is tired. She's been running around. Now she wants to be carried out of here, I guess. When I first started doing YouTube, I only had like a couple dozen people subscribe to me. That's when I first got out of prison, right? And now I have 10,000 subscribers. So in life, when you're trying to do something, you can't give like a token gesture to doing something and then instantly give up. Life doesn't actually work like that. You got to keep trying, and when you fall down, you got to get back up, and you got to keep trying. I could have completely given up. I could have said, this is too hard. This is too difficult. I could have surrendered myself to defeat. And YouTube is not my only way of making money, so I could have said, oh, this just isn't for me. But instead, I kept trying, and I kept trying, and I kept persevering, and now I'm actually monetized. And I didn't think I'd ever even get monetized. I didn't really care. But I've actually been monetized. For a guy like me, with a background like mine, that's huge. So you gotta remember, when there's a monkey on your back, and when life gives you problems, or in my case, a big dog on your back, you know, a big sweaty dog that can't get comfortable, you just got to keep going. You got to keep persevering, no matter what happens in life, because you never know when you're about to strike gold. You could be right on the cusp of striking gold when you give up. And this is how you create your own luck in this life. If you follow the rules of your trade, whatever they are, on YouTube, you got to have good thumbnails, you got to have well-edited videos, whatever. Every endeavor you do in life has certain rules, certain principles. You follow those rules, and you stay the course, and you try to innovate, and a true master knows when to break the rules, okay? But you don't do that until you're at that point. And a true master is a person that knows when the rules of photography don't apply, for example, for me. That's the main message I gotta drive home. A lot of hard work, commitment, dedication, not giving up, even though you feel like you wanna vomit, even though you feel like you can't keep going, you have to keep going. Because what separates you from the normal person that doesn't achieve anything in life is you not giving up and going that extra mile when everybody else wants to give up, when everybody else wants to vomit, you know? And I'm not perfect, you know, I'm overweight, you know, as the comment section will gladly point out. I'm not perfect, I'm overweight, I fuck up sometimes. But this one guiding principle has changed my life, and I believe it will change your life as well. And so whatever it is you're trying to do in life, you know, those out there that can't get a girlfriend or whatever, keep trying, keep fucking trying. You don't fail truly until you stop trying. That's when you've truly failed. And I know people that aren't trying anymore. And those are the people that have truly failed. If you're one of those people, stop failing by trying. Get up and try again. Failing is okay, quitting is not. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, support the merchandise. I sell really high quality athletic clothing and camouflage gear and stuff like that. It looks good, and I got sizes for you fat guys. I'm living proof of that. If you're a bigger guy, I got stuff that'll fit you. And I appreciate the continued support. Make sure to leave a comment. Make sure to like all the good stuff. See you guys in the next one. Jordan Jareb signing off.